Hi everyone, my name is Ankita and welcome to a new video on my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you a few of my monsoon skincare essentials. Most of them are products that I have tried and tested before and I absolutely love them. Hence I repurchased them and some of them are new purchases that I made after getting influenced by different YouTubers. So whenever I make a new purchase, be it skincare or makeup, I always make sure to do my research and watch different review videos on the particular product before going ahead and making the purchase. So I did the same this time and I have a few products that I want to share with you. By the way, I bought all of these products from Amazon and I'll make sure to link them in the description box. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first product that I want to talk about is this face wash by Plum. It's their chamomile and white tea face wash. It's for normal to combination skin. It's like a really nice face wash. It lathers up really well. It also has these small little beads that exfoliates the skin. It's nothing too harsh. I like using this particular one during the monsoons. It gets rid of that, chipchipa feeling that you have during the monsoon. It cleanses the skin really well. I really like this face wash. This is like my second tube. I had bought the previous one a long time back on Shreya Jain's recommendation. So this is the face wash and I really like it. The next item that I have is like an essential not only for monsoons but throughout the year. So I'm talking about a sunscreen. This one is a new purchase. I have not used this before. I bought it after watching 2-3 YouTubers talk about it, especially one of my most favorite YouTubers, that is the Delhi fashion blogger. She changed her channel name to Komal Ji now. I absolutely love her. I love her recommendations and the videos that she makes. I really like the content that she puts out. She's one YouTuber that I feel is really genuine and I connect with her a lot. I bought this after watching her video. So this sunscreen is by Requel. It says it's oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. It's a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 50, which means it gives both UVA and UVB protection and it has PA+++. I'll just show you the actual product. So it comes in a tube like this and it contains 50 grams of product.
It is for oily, sensitive and acne prone skin. It has no white cast and it has a matte finish.
I am yet to try this one, but I think it's going to be a really nice one because in her video she mentions that it really worked for her. So I'm hoping that this works for me as well. So this is the second product that I got. It's a sunscreen by Requel. The third product that I have is this shampoo by Mamaearth. It's their rice water variant. It's with rice water and keratin.
It's for damaged, dry and frizzy hair.
It's paraben and SLS free, dermatologically tested for all hair types. So that is good. I have seen a lot of YouTubers talk about Mamaearth products, not specifically this shampoo, but a lot of Mamaearth products in general, and some people like it and some people absolutely hate it. So I am somewhere in the middle. I don't absolutely love their products, but I don't really hate them as well because some of the products are really good and they have worked for me, whereas others have not. So I'm kind of in the middle, but Mamaearth shampoos I sort of like. I have used the first shampoo that they came up with for many months and it really worked for me. It was the time before they started all these campaigns and all of that, and I quite like that one. After that I also tried the onion shampoo and the anti-dandruff shampoo, but both of them were okay-ish. It was not amazing, or it did not get rid of my dandruff immediately, but it sort of worked. The problem that I had with those products was that the consistency was really thick and it was very difficult to use the shampoos, if I'm making any sense. But I have used this once, and with this one the consistency is not an issue at all. It's like a clear gel sort of a consistency and it's way more liquidy than the other two that I've used, and I quite like this. Like for the first use, I think this is a good product. It like cleansed my scalp really well, and I think I need to use this more to make up my mind on it. Talking about another controversial product, the next one that I have is this chemical peel by Minimalist. It has 25% AHA, 5% PHA and 2% BHA. When Minimalist was launched, they had to go through a lot of claims of plagiarism because they blatantly copied products
including packaging and everything
from The Ordinary, which is
not directly available in India. Coming to the product that I have,
so this is how the bottle looks like. This is basically a chemical exfoliant. People are really moving from physical exfoliators to chemical ones, and so I also wanted to make the shift, and hence I got this one. I'll just quickly read the claims. So it's a powerful peeling trio of 25% AHA, 5% PHA and 2% BHA that provides multi-level exfoliation both on the surface and inside the pores, giving you a healthy, plump and glowing skin. Does not harm skin like physical exfoliation,
that is physical scrubs.
so you're supposed to use this once a week. Use of sunscreen is a must when using this peel. So this is what it says on the carton. So this is supposed to get rid of your blackheads and whiteheads and the dead skin cells. Basically what a scrub does, but in a much milder way. So I bought this on Shreya Jain's recommendation. She had uploaded a video on this a few weeks back and she was really impressed with this product, and like she mentioned in the video, she suffers from really stubborn blackheads and whiteheads, and I can feel her. I absolutely can't get rid of my blackheads no matter what I do. So if this one works, it's going to be a really miracle product for me. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. The next product that I bought also on Shreya Jain's recommendation is this St. Evans Ocean Drop with vegan collagen boosters. This is basically a body wash, and the term Ocean Drop really attracted me to this. I haven't even removed the plastic cover on it, so I'll just do that. This smells really nice. It smells really fresh and aqua, like I was hoping for it to smell like this, like refreshing and calming sort of. So I was out of my body wash and I needed one, so I bought this one. So I can't wait to try it. The next one that I have is a tried and tested and loved product. I absolutely love this one. So this is the
Jeju
Aloe Fresh Soothing Gel by The Face Shop. I absolutely love this aloe vera gel, and I have gone through like tubs of it. I have like oily skin, and I don't really like using moisturizers during the day. So an aloe vera gel is like my go-to when it comes to providing hydration to the skin, and this one is my most favorite. It comes in a huge tub like this, and it's like a clear aloe vera gel, and I absolutely love the fragrance that it has. It's quite soothing and relaxing, like a spa in a jar kind of a thing, and I really like it. I have talked about this in a lot of my previous videos, so this is like a repurchase that I made and I absolutely love this. The next product that I have is this Micellar Water by Garnier. So it's their Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water for all skin types. And since I apply a lot of makeup whenever I'm shooting, so it's really important to get rid of it as well, because if you don't remove your makeup properly, it causes a lot of problems and skin issues. So it's really important to get rid of your makeup. And no matter how tired I am, I always make sure to remove my makeup before going to bed. So this is the one that I've been using for years, and it does the job. It removes like stubborn liquid lipstick and also waterproof mascara really easily. I have tried a few different micellar waters in between, but I always go back to this product. It's like my absolute favorite. It's really affordable also. Like this huge bottle you get for only 399 rupees, which is like amazing. And it lasts a long time. So this is another repurchase, also a favorite product. Down to the last product, the one that I have is a body mist called Summer Night by Miniso. So this is how the bottle looks like. It looks really nice. It has a really nice tropical vibe. and the fragrance is also quite soothing, and it's sort of sweet. I like spritzing this all over my body after taking like a shower, and this lasts for about 2-3 hours, not more than that, because it's a body mist and not like a perfume. So it doesn't last for that long, but it smells really nice. It smells really fresh. It has a little bit of sweetness to it, not like ones that will give you a migraine, but sort of pleasant and calming yet sweet fragrance. So this is the last product that I have from Miniso. Miniso is available on Amazon, so you can check out Miniso products on Amazon. So that is it. These were all about my summer and monsoon skincare essentials. Some of them are like repurchases, and some of them I got because I saw my favorite YouTubers talk about them. Let me know if you have used any of these products, and if you like them, if you don't like them, if it has worked for you or not. I'd love to know. Please let me know in the comment section. So that is it for this video. I'll have my social media details in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.